Welcome to this SAT Math session provided by Tutorgram. Topics covered in SAT Math section can be broadly divided into 4 different categories. Today, we will look at additional topics in math.
Let's study the volume of some of the common three-dimensional objects that show up in the SAT exam. All the volume formulas are given in the SAT exam. In order to manipulate them, it will be useful to understand the details of these formulas. First one is a rectangular prism. If the area of the base is length times width, we can easily find the volume by multiplying area of the base to height. This is a standard practice in the figures where area of the base is easier to find. For example, volume of a cylinder is area of the base pi r square times height. Volume of sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. You don't need to memorize it as it will be given to you in the exam. Volume of the cone is 1/3 pi r square times height. Volume of pyramid is similar to volume of cone, except this time area of the base is not pi r square, it is length times width as it is rectangular. We can multiply this to height and find the volume as 1/3 length times width times height. Let's find the volume of a prism with equilateral triangle base. We will follow the standard technique of first finding the area of the base and then multiplying it to the height. As base is an equilateral triangle, all sides must be equal. Let's call them A. If we draw a perpendicular bisector in the middle of this triangle, it will divide it into 2 special triangles. That will be 60, 30, 90. Therefore, it is not difficult to find the ratios of the sides. They will be 1, 2, and √3. Or height of this triangle will be √3a divided by 2. Now we can find the volume of this prism by multiplying area of the base to height. Area of the base will be area of the triangle, which will be 1/2 times base times height. Base is a units and height will be √3/2 times a, which will simplify to √3/4 times a square. Therefore, the volume will be √3/4 times a square times height.
I would like to tell you about our services at Tutorgram. We provide one-on-one sessions to both high school and college students in physics, chemistry, math, and biology. We also help students increase their score in SAT, GRE, GMAT, and MCAT. All our tutors are graduates of Ivy League universities, and they will be more than happy to create personal and interactive study sessions for you. If you are interested in a trial lesson, please email or call us with your specific requirements, and we will get back to you.
Sometimes in volume problems in SAT exam, you need to find the diagonal of a face or length of a side using Pythagorean theorem. Here we are given a cube with side length 3, and they want us to find the distance between point A and point B. Let's find the length of diagonal of the face of this cube. In triangle ACD, if we apply Pythagorean theorem, we will get AC square plus CD square equal to AD square. Both AC and CD are 3. Therefore, AD will turn out to be 3√2. In triangle EBA, we can again apply Pythagorean theorem, and AB square will be equal to EB square plus EA square. Since B is the midpoint of the top face, we know EB will be half as long as AD, or EB will be 3√2/2. EA is 3 units long. This can be easily simplified to 9/2 plus 9, or 27/2. When we take square root on both sides, we will get 3√3/2, which can be further simplified by multiplying √2 to both top and bottom, and we will get 3√6 divided by 2. Let's solve a relatively easier problem. In this problem, we are given a cylindrical tube of length 12 inches and radius 2.5 inches. They want us to find the farthest possible distance between the 2 ends. In other words, they are interested in finding the diagonal of the cylinder. If we know that the length of the cylinder is 12 inches and diameter is twice the radius, or 5 inches, then we can easily find the diagonal of the cylinder by using Pythagorean theorem. Diagonal square equal to 5 square plus 12 square, or 169. Square root of 169 is 13. Therefore, the largest distance possible between the two ends is 13.
If you're looking for one-on-one tutoring, please feel free to reach out via email or cell phone, and I will be happy to answer any of your questions. Please subscribe to our channel for more SAT content. Feel free to share this video with any friends who might need help with SAT math.